Hey guys, this is Matthew from Big Number One Motorsports, and today I'm talking about this brand new product we just got on the shelves. This is the XPS Cleaning Black Plastic and Rubber Restorer. We just got this in on the shelf, so I'm going to tell you all about it. Alright guys, I'm back showing you a demonstration of this plastic restorer. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you have a clean towel and a semi-clean surface. You want to make sure that there's no rocks or anything that's going to scratch it up and interfere with the cleaner. So what you do is you get your clean rag, pour just a little bit on the towel, and you just work your magic. You just rub it in there, and it's going to restore that black. You can already see that how much it's already done. It's gone from this faded, scratched, into this nice clean surface here. You just wet it in there, and what you do is you wait about 24 hours, make sure it dries, and if you need to reapply, you do that. All good. So there you guys have it. I just showed you guys how to use this brand new product, so whenever you're ready to come get it, just come in, ask for Matthew, and I'll get you straightened away.